Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can catch this legendary Guten Fang fish in Fish It Roblox. So this fish is one of the new fish inside the Pirate Cove. And here I'm going to show you the exact hidden location, the perfect bait, and the road you need to successfully get this legendary fish. So first, once you're in the Pirate Cove, to get the fish, you can there are some spots that you can uh, go to get the fish. The first one you can fish in here and the docks, or you can also just go inside the island until you see this little pool, and you can also go fish in here. This is where I got the fish. Or you can also, if you already unlock the mysterious cave, you can also go inside the mysterious cave to unlock or to get the Guten Fang fish. And as for the road, I'm using the element road with singularity bait as the gear setup. So that's very much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.